Yet again, my headlights on the Discovery 4 have decided to go cloudy. This is at least an annual thing that happens to this car because it's presently at least stored outside. So they oxidize quite nastily. You can see that one's done the same. So I'll just very quickly take you through taking them out. I've polished, sanding them down. We do that with a fine grit sandpaper. Polishing them up and then coating them and put them back. And that should do me for another year, hopefully longer this time, because we, as I said before in a previous video, we're about to build a carport. Wow. Not before time. You remove the headlights by sliding the bars either side of the headlight up so it aligns with the holes. There are 4 pins and you have to just line them up and then the headlight will come off. And then at the back there's just one electrical connector. .2000 grit wet and dry sandpaper. It's important to keep the sandpaper nice and wet so that you don't burn the plastic as you sand it. So these are the 2 products I use, which are totally unsponsored, to be honest, but they work for me. Oxidization remover, that will get it back to a clear, take it away, because they're currently quite matte. I'll show you in a second. Currently quite matte, that'll take them to a gloss. And then that adds the final polish. And then, although I haven't done this before, I've used another product. I'm going to try that one, which happens to be also a Maguire's. Main reason I use Maguire's is one day I went in there and the rep was actually there and was very helpful. So I've ended up with that. So we'll give that a try. I'm using a polishing mop here and use it on the slowest setting you can. Otherwise well, it goes everywhere, as you can see on the bench there already, having done a overhead lamp. Also, you can burn the plastic if you go too fast, so make sure you've got plenty of oxidization remover and go steady. Goes without saying really, but you can do this by hand. It just takes a hell of a lot longer. more oxidization remover. Give it a second pass. Probably applied a bit more than I need there. This time with the polish and a different pad. Now just a bit of a wipe over with the microfiber cloth and it should be the final result. But you're better to treat these things with some form of UV protection, otherwise quite quickly you're going to end up with a fogged out headlamp again. So I'm going to use a ceramic coat covering just to see how that works. Okay, so that's job done. I think you'll agree it looks a lot better. Hopefully it lasts a bit longer this time. I'll let you know if that ceramic coat works okay. Thanks for watching.